Yo! Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $18 an hour. There is peak pay on. I'm not sure for how long. But this first order is going to be a Taco Bell going 5 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Sitting here waiting for that first order, and they just gave me an add-on going an extra 2 miles.
Whatever, Juliet?
Yeah. And they also gave me the order for Tori. I don't know if you had that one.
That was not.
Okay.
I know, right?
This is for the other order, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, this is it for Tori.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Both of those were no tips. Very nice. Total for that stack was $12. Next up, got a Subway. This one is $10 going 4.5 miles. Morning. Yeah, for Tansen. Thank you. Perfect timing, actually. Walked in as soon as she was stapling the bag closed. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 2.5 miles.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can we get you?
Hello.
Hello.
You got it?
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice birthday.
You too.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $6. Next order up is a McDonald's going 5 miles.
Oh, yeah. Skittles on bottom.
No tip on that one. Gotta love it. Total for that one was $6 and change, and got this stack going to the same person right away. This is Voodoo Donut and Black Rock Coffee. Ooh, it's high mileage. Do I even take this? Yeah, let's do it. This one is going 9 miles. Yeah, Benjamin. Thank you.
Have a good day.
I mean, this did leave me in a whole different town, so I gotta drive back, but I mean, this might have been worth it. $15 tip on that one, and total for that stack was $26. I mean, could have been worse, right? Just about to drive off and do a lap because I've been sitting here for a few minutes, but as I was pulling out, they gave me a Chick-fil-A. This one is $10 going 4 miles.
My pleasure.
Heading back to Chick-fil-A. This one is going 5 miles. Total for that one was just under $10. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is going 5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $9. Next order up, heading back to Chick-fil-A. This one is gonna be $12, going 6.5 miles.
There's that first time.
Thank you. Did you have a DoorDash?
For Stephanie.
Stephanie? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
There's that.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Next up, got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $9, going 3.5 miles, only one item. Other side. Yep, just that one. All right, I am pretty hungry, so I think I'm just gonna call it here. Current time is 9:42. Current total is 113, and I think I'm waiting on a couple tips, so that should go up a little bit. But anyways, let's go figure out what's for lunch. This might be a shorter video actually, so have some kitty clips. It's been a while. Anyways, let's go home. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.